Faint o'r gloch fyddwch chi'n gosod y larwm ar gyfer gêm bêl-droed ar fore Sadwrn, oherwydd mae yna rei o'r criw nesaf yma wedi bod ar y lôn ers hanner awr wedi 6 bore yma. Nantlle Vale sy'n croesawu Corinthiaid Caerdydd ym pumed rownd tlws Amaturiaid y Gymdeithas Bêl-droed yma ym Penygroes pnawn 'ma.
We had boys literally finish work at 6 o'clock and come straight to the coach. They were sleeping in the middle of the bus.
No way. And I do know that there's 1, 2 even people that have shown such signs of commitment to be here today, haven't they?
Yeah, they have. Well, there's one back in Cardiff that's expecting today. And we got another one which has travelled with us. She's due, I think, in 2 weeks, but we had to scale on Tuesday. One of the players didn't think they were going to make it today, but she's okay. She's here. She's coming to watch.
She's here?
Yeah, she's here. She's supporting, so yeah, she said she wouldn't miss it.
And
so.
she's due any minute?
She's due any minute, yeah.
And her partner's playing
He's playing today, yeah. So
that's crazy. So what's the contingency plan for that then?
we haven't got one, so I'm hoping that she doesn't go in.
A be ydych chi'n meddwl o'r hogia mawr South yn dod i fyny hynny yma?
O, mae yn braf cael rwy'n da ni ddim yn nabod sy'n gwybod i mewn. Ne, mae yn. Dyn nhw'n gwybod dim byd amdano ni, a da ni'n gwybod byd amdano nhw, ti'n gwybod?
A ddech chi'n deitha fi gyna, ddech chi'n meddwl bod nhw'n sylweddoli lle mae Penygroes?
Na, dwi'n meddwl bod nhw.
Ydych chi'n falch fan hyn bod o ddim ffordd arall rownd, ddim chi sydd wedi gorau teithio lawr?
Wel na, yr hogia sydd teithio lawr, cos oedden ni eisiau sesh lawr yn gwaelod, ie. So, ie, ond da ni hapus home drawn, we chance i gael win, os maen nhw'n gorau tewilio fyny, so...
A ti byth yn gwybod beth ddigwyddith yn y rownd nesaf, chwaith?
Na, exactly, so gweithio away days next round, ie, os da ni yn y hatio.
O Gareth, o'n i ar fi'n gofyn i chi os oeddech chi'n hyderus, ond da ni newydd fethu gol tra bod ni'n cerdded draw yma a mae Corinthiaid Caerdydd newydd fynd ar y blaen.
Wel, maen nhw'n dîm da i fod. Ac yn ôl i hanes nhw'n y lig a'r gwpan, 1 neu 2 o gemau maen nhw wedi golli yn y flwyddyn gyfa. So maen nhw'n dîm da, ond dyn nhw mor gyffyrddus ar y bêl ac o'n i'n feddwl fysa nhw. Mae gen i gyfle fy mas, gan i'n gol yn ôl cyn hanner amser. Mae ni'n dod eto, li.
The second half, the Corries have upped their pace, and as you can see, we've scored a good goal as well, and we're hoping now to take it from there. But you never know. This is a cup game, and things happen in cup games, don't they?
Mae real gêm gwpan dydy, mae Corinthians yn cael rhyw byliau o edrych yn well tîm, wedyn mae Nantlle dod yn ôl a hyn o bryd mae'n 2 gol o'r un. Fel ffensiynwr dwi wedi cael dod mewn am 2 bint, a dwi'n cael gwerth yn 8 bint.
Da chi wedi cael gwerth bob ceiniog, Milir?
Do.
Alan, ar ddiwedd y 90 munud, da ni'n gorau mynd i gicio'r smotyn yma. So ni wedi gallu gwneud heb hynny pnawn mewn bysa?
Os o'n i'n sicr yn gallu gwneud heb hynna, byswn. Ond efo, mae'r hogia roed yr ymdrech gwych dydy, so mae'n chydig bach o latri ond dwi'n eisiau fel gyro da.
Ond oedd hi ddim i fod i hogia'r Vale yn ystod y cicio'r smotyn yn anffodus. Jamie Thomas yn methu cyfle i gadw gobeithio yn y tîm cartre'n fyw, ac yna Aaron Davies yn plannu'r ergyd fuddigol i gefn y rhwyd i'r ymwelwyr, a'r Corries yn ennill o 4 gol i 2 ar gicio'r smotyn felly.
It was absolutely brilliant. Obviously, the boys, we worked so hard for 90 minutes. Obviously, I missed the first 10, but the boys took over, and we're through to the next round.
Wel, ni well tîm tuag at giwedd y first half, ond bechod o'ch ddechrau'n sloi to second half, a 2-2 ar ôl hynna, wedi bron cagey game, wedi penalties a lottery bach yn diwedd.
I have to say as well, having spoken to the manager before the game, I know on a personal note, being here today has been a huge commitment for yourself as well and your family.
Yeah, it's massive. My missus, she's due to drop any time, so obviously it's a big one. She came up here as well today, so I've got to thank her really. Obviously she come, she didn't have to, and I was allowed to. I could play because she was here, so yeah, it was a good day all in all.